Hey there, this is Katie. Today we are going to explore the version history feature in PlatoForms. It is your best friend when it comes to checking changes, creating backups, and tracing the previous version of your form. No more worrying about losing your hard work. PlatoForms has got your back.
First up, let's talk about our automatic saving feature. PlatoForms is always working hard in the background, saving your form at regular intervals. That means no more lost progress, even if your computer crashes or you get a little too carried away editing. You can also manually save versions by using the shortcut Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on Macs. And whenever you publish your form, PlatoForms automatically saves a version for you. It is like having a personal assistant that never forgets anything. Okay, now for the fun part. Let's dive into the version history panel. In the form builder, you will see a little three-dot icon up top. Give that a click and select history. Now, you will see all your previous version laid out in front of you, complete with fancy color-coded dots. Gray means it is an autosave. Yellow is a manual save, and blue is a published version. Now, if you ever need to go back to a specific version, just hover over it and click the vertical three-dot. Select Resolve to this version, and voila! Your form is back to its former glory.
So there you have it, folks. The version history feature is your ticket to form building bliss. No more worrying about losing your work, and have plenty of opportunities to time travel and explore your form's evolution. Happy saving and happy resolving!